These chains should really be stiff, and the problem here is this. Look how much slack there is all the way around on this chain.
So why would that happen?
Either over time that it got jammed up and it just kind of loosened it up because it got jammed, as in this case. This is the tension that you should be able to see. I mean, you can hardly push that.
And that's how you want it to be?
Yep.
Okay.
So what we're going to do though, first of all, is we're going to relieve this chain and we're going to try to spin this chamber around first. Do you happen to have a big pipe wrench?
Yeah.
Here's a 3/4 inch socket that you're going to use to relieve the tension bolt on this chain. And it's not an expensive chain. It's a number 40 motorcycle chain. Here's the 2 chain. You have one for going directly from the inline reducer to agitator. It comes over here and this spins the airlock. The other chain comes and wraps up around here and spins your augers. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to get that airlock spinning. So we need to take this chain off so that we can spin this by hand and see what's going on with that airlock. We're going to find the master link here, and then we're going to take the master link off of this so that we can take this link out and remove this chain. I usually like to use a small screwdriver with a blade. Somebody's probably got an easier way to do this out there. And then take this off. This is called the master key. Every chain has one. Your bicycle has one, your motorcycle has one, and it just comes apart. It's the link that you can separate just using a screwdriver. Now we're going to save that. We don't want to lose that. And we're going to pop this out the back. And yeah, thank you. Now we've just disconnected the chain is all we've done here. Okay, now this is your airlock. Now we're going to take your pipe wrench. We're going to see if we can get this thing rolling.
On a side note, since the chain is off, like how can I clean it, like really clean it?
Yeah, compressed air.
Okay.
Air compressor would be great to have. And then when you want to relubricate it,
yep,
we're going to use motorcycle chain lube.
Okay.
And that will prevent the buildup of all of the gunk on here because it's more wax-based than it is oil-based.
Okay, is that big enough?
Yep. And we're going to just take the sprocket. Oh, it's spinning easily. Almost too easily, which means that you might have to have new airlock seals soon.
Okay.
But yeah, see how loose it is?
Yeah.
It shouldn't be that loose, so it's telling me that we probably have to get new airlock seals, but at least it's not jammed up.
Right.
So that's the good thing. Okay, so we can take this back. Let's put your chain back together.
And then
Yep,
this.
Yep. And then the lock, retainer lock. So what you do is you put it on like this,
okay,
and then you push it in. And usually I like to use this small screwdriver to lock it in place.
Okay.
Let's get all these things tightened up like they should be.
These.
Yep. And the one below. See how I'm putting a lot of pressure on that? And we make sure that we are on. If you want, you can use a screwdriver, put it right there in that socket, and put a good amount of tension on there. And then tighten your tension sprocket down. That's pretty good. Not good. Let's figure out why we can't get this thing tight. Okay. I'm going to push as hard as I can.
Okay.
If you want to go ahead and tighten it.
All right.
I'm going to tighten that one. If you want, you can use a screwdriver, put it right there in that socket, and put a good amount of tension on there. And then tighten your tension sprocket down. Slide it up in the slot here, and now, there we go. I'm going to tighten that one. So yeah, you're just going to lubricate the chain. Just yep.
Like this part?
Yep, exactly.
Oops, I missed.
There you go. To maintain your chain, cable lube. This says anti-sling penetrant. Also, you're looking for an anti-dust. You don't want to use just regular WD-40, although WD-40 makes a particular style of lubricant, and it's called dry lube. And really what you're looking for is a dirt and dust resistant.
Okay, I'm done now.
Okay.
So beautiful. Now do I have to wipe it?
No, let it dry.